Welcome to our channel. Today we'll explore a fundamental concept in business and operations, the Standard Operating Procedure, SOP. Understanding SOPs is crucial for ensuring consistency, efficiency, and quality across diverse industries. But what exactly is an SOP? It's a set of step-by-step instructions that helps organizations carry out routine operations efficiently. SOPs aim to achieve consistency and uniform results, even for complex tasks, by minimizing room for error. They are the backbone of any functional organization, ensuring everyone understands their responsibilities and how to execute them. Now let's explore why SOP are so important. First, they enhance productivity by providing clear guidelines, saving time and reducing confusion. Employees, especially new hires, rely on SOPs to quickly learn processes and meet performance expectations. Second, SOPs are vital for maintaining quality control. Detailed instructions reduce the chances of mistakes and ensure that the output consistently meets or exceeds standards. This is essential in industries such as manufacturing and healthcare, where quality is paramount. Another benefit is compliance. SOP help adhere to industry regulations and standards, which is crucial for avoiding legal penalties and ensuring safety. They serve as evidence that an organization follows prescribed practices and protocols. Creating an effective SOP involves several key steps. First, identify the process you want to standardize. Next, gather the necessary information and consult with employees who are familiar with the task. Draft the SOP using straightforward language, then review and test it. This ensures that the SOP is practical and easy to follow. Incorporate visual aids like flowcharts or diagrams to make complex procedures more straightforward to understand. Once finalized, publish and distribute the SOP to all relevant personnel. Remember, it's not a one-time effort. Regular reviews and updates are necessary to keep the SOP effective and relevant, especially with technological advancements and process improvements. In conclusion, SOPs are indispensable tools for achieving operational excellence. They streamline processes, enhance quality, ensure compliance, and improve productivity. Familiarizing yourself with SOPs can significantly improve your organization's success. On behalf of the Infinilean team, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. See you on the flip side.